Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? You have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and we got a mail call day for you today. My man Jay Coppola was kind enough to send out a piece of art that he'd been working on, and he had told me he'd been kind of starting to dabble with kind of painting and things like that. And I know he's pretty creative, pretty artistic. He has a background in kind of music and radio and things like that. I know he's into photography, and I feel terrible. I was checking out his website the other week, and I'd going back and looked at it a couple times, and I obviously want to share his website with you guys because he does sell these prints, sell these paintings, and he's got some fantastic photography. And I went through all my Google Hangouts chats with him. I couldn't find a link to the website, and then I also I know I dropped a link to it in the interview with Jack Knight Finnegan the other day. But it was a 3-hour live stream, so I wasn't about to sit there and watch 3 hours of a live stream to try to catch the link that I dropped in chat. So I will drop the link to some of Jay Coppola's work down below. If you guys want to check that out, he's got some awesome photography and some cool prints and things like that. So I've not opened this yet. I'm excited to take a look at it. And this is one of the really fucking cool things about the internet, guys, and just the power that the internet has and what it can do for you and kind of your life and things like that. And just something as simple as this. I'm just some dude with a camera phone, but YouTube and the internet has enabled me to make connections and make friends with a lot of you guys and people all over the place. And Jay Coppola sent me kind of a cool print to throw up on the wall here, connected with Jack Knife Finnegan, Nick the Smoker, a local guy, got to meet up with him. So really, really neat. If you're on the fence about starting a YouTube channel or kind of putting yourself out there more online, I would highly encourage you to do it. That's one of the kind of the really neat things about the internet. So we got a mail call today. I know I watch a lot of other YouTubers, and they'll have like 20 pieces of mail, or they'll have shit all around them. So just to make myself feel more important, we got a couple pieces of mail. These are just credit card things and a pizza, Zazzo's Pizza. What else do we got? We got Capital One Spark wants to give me a card. Capital One Spark. But here's what the video is about. This is from Jay Coppola. So let's open this on up. Oh, I hate oh shit. Box cutters are like nails on a chalkboard to me. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, good. We got the website here. Jay Coppola, man, doing it really nice. I like this. I saw on his website he does certificates of authenticity. So we got man, cutting that box is still like ringing in my ears. Jay Coppola, artist and founder, thejadamscollection.com. Again, that's thejadamscollection.com. Let me throw that up on there. Kind of nice touch he added with the business cards there. See, we got kind of a 4x6 there. And if any of you guys are looking like this, I think this is a fantastic idea that Jay did, doing kind of like product inserts. There's a company that I really like to use for business cards and product inserts. They're called Custom Prints, Kustom, and I think it might be Prints with a Z. I found them years ago on eBay. They include free graphic design with most business cards. They also do flyers, 4x6 mailers, postcards, all different type of stuff. They're way cheaper than like Vistaprint and those shitty sites. I get cards like this, pretty good stock, glossy, or you can choose unglossy, both sides, full color. I mean, I get 5,000 of them for like, I don't know, $50 or something like that. Really, really good deal. So check that out if you need them. Let's see, this piece of artwork is, the title is Untitled. It's a 9x12 canvas, created in 2018, origin number 97. So when Jay's big one of these days, I'm going to have a custom piece of artwork here, gift to Johnny. So really nice certificate of authenticity that he includes here. And let's see, I think he wrote me, okay, so he says, Dear Johnny, Happy New Year. Your content is always an inspiration. I wanted to share with you some of my original work, so I hope you enjoy this piece. I call this piece Kinetic Painting, and it basically involves me shooting cans of paint at different angles and different directions to create different layers and textures. So I started doing this art as a vanity sanity project, but I didn't want to sell art or prints or just make some Shopify store or an Etsy shop. I wanted to do something a bit more. I wanted to create a platform not only to showcase my current projects and future projects, but possibly other artists in the future as well. I'm also documenting the entire process thus far and created a workshop around it. I wanted to put something together for other artists and freelancers to basically help guide them in doing the same process and show them the method and tools I used. Best regards, Jay Coppola. Jay, buddy, you've always been an awesome member of the community. You're always kind of engaged. You've been very supportive of me, and I greatly appreciate that. Greatly appreciate your friendship and everything. So for any of you guys who are artists, if you're an artist and you don't really know how to kind of put your artwork out there and get your artwork out there, reach out to Jay. Again, the jadamscollection.com. He might be interested in featuring some of your art on his website. If you're just kind of looking for assistance in how to get started, it sounds like he's doing kind of a workshop around that. He packaged it really nice. Okay, so I like this. I think Jay kind of knows my personality. I saw a lot of the stuff on his site I really like, but it's a lot of darker colors. And I like that, I'm very into kind of bright and vibrant things. So I really like this. Very, very nice. I've seen people do similar things like this down in Mexico. Down in Mexico, they do a lot of this spray paint art where they'll hold a lighter in front of the spray can and kind of blacken the design a little bit. I think this is kind of a similar form of artwork, but yeah, you can see all the different colors, different textures. So yeah, I'm going to throw this, actually, let's see if I'll probably rehang it later, but it's not straight, but we'll throw that up there. Thank you very much, Jay. I greatly appreciate it. This was actually kind of the first piece of mail. A while back, I set up a P.O. box, and I never really got around. I threw it on my About Us page, I think, but I never really got around to kind of really promoting it or anything like that. So if you guys do art, I'm looking to kind of further decorate this wall. It's a little bit bland back here. So if you guys do any type of artwork or something like that, and you want to help me decorate the wall back here, I'll also put the P.O. box down below if any of you guys do some kind of cool art or crafts or something like that and want to send something out my way. But first unboxing video. Thank you very much, Jay Coppola. Thank you, everybody, for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button just down below the left or right of this video. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again, buddy.